This is the Thule bedrider bike carrier for compact to full-size pickup trucks. It is fully adjustable and can hold up to 2 bikes out of the box with the option to add more mounting points later. It employs a fork-mounted loading system, pinching down on the front forks to hold the bike in place. The bedrider is fully adjustable and requires no drilling to install. First, find a setting with the spring button which makes the rack just wide enough to fit between the rails of your bed. Once straight on the rails, spinning the bar towards you will act as a fine adjustment, further seating the rack in place. When you begin to feel tension, be sure the spring button side is facing down and close the lever to squeeze the rack into its final position. The provided rubber sleeve acts as an adapter for putting mounting points on the smaller section of the bar. The white dust on the sleeve is normal and can be wiped off after installation. With the sleeve in place, hold the base plate underneath the bar and slide the lip of the skewer holder underneath the protruding lip of the base plate. Place a washer on the Allen screws, feed the screws through the bolt holes in both pieces, and fasten securely. Unscrew the metal end piece from the skewer and slide the pole through the opening in the holder. Once through, fasten the end piece back on the skewer. After removing your bike's front tire, and with the skewer in the open position, place the fork ends over the open spots in the skewer. Adjust the outside metal knob on the skewer to accommodate your forks, and close the skewer. The skewer should give a decent amount of resistance when closing to ensure the bike is held securely. Locks are provided for both skewers and for the lever mechanism. Insert the locks with the toothless installation key, and lock them with the toothed key. This is the Thule bedrider bike carrier, product number T822XT. If you have any questions or are interested in purchasing this product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or visit rackwarehouse.com.